In Windows, Microsoft Edge starts off as your default browser, given how it's the one that's installed with the system. However, if you then go and pick any other default browser in the meantime, and then you want to return to Microsoft Edge being your main one, then how exactly can you set it to be your default? Well, we'll be going through the process in this very video. So whenever you say open up any links, then it's going to go via Edge rather than any other browser that you're currently using as the default one. So what you want to do first is head into settings, which can be most easily reached by either searching up settings in the search bar in the bottom left, or right clicking on the start menu icon and then clicking on settings from this list of options that appears. Once you are there, you want to click on apps on this list in the left hand side, and once you've done that, you want to click on default apps in this list in the very middle. Once you've done that, you will see a whole list of everything installed on your system, so you want to find Edge in that list. If it makes it easier, there's a search bar right there you can use. You'll see at the top a button to make it your default browser. So you simply click on that, and just like that, it is going to be the default browser on your system. No need to restart your PC or anything, it's just going to work just like that. However, there's also one more way that you can reach that same menu, and you can do it from Edge itself. So if you are in Edge, what you can do is click on those three dots in the top right, and you'll see that whenever Edge is in your default browser, the topmost option there will be one to set it as your default. Clicking on it will open up settings and take you straight to that menu that we just shown off. And once again, that set default button will be waiting for you at the very top, and once it's clicked, well, Microsoft Edge will become your default browser. So that's exactly how you can set Microsoft Edge to be the default browser on your PC. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.